The clean maintenance light will automatically illuminate solid on to indicate when a descale cycle is required. To begin, you will need to have the descaler that came with your machine handy. First, empty the drip tray and water tank, then remove the water filter. Dissolve 1 packet of the descaler with 1 liter of warm water and pour the solution into the water tank and reinsert. With the machine off, press and hold the 2-cup and power buttons simultaneously to enter the descale mode. The unit will heat up as part of commencing the descaling action, and the 2-cup and power buttons should flash continuously during the heating process. Place a 2-liter container under the group head and steam wand. The machine will indicate it is ready for descaling when the power button, 2-cup button, maintenance indicator, and the hot water steam indicator are all illuminated. Press the 2-cup button to start descaling of the coffee component of the machine. Descaling the coffee component takes approximately 25 seconds. The 2-cup buttons should flash continuously during the process. To terminate the descaling within 25 seconds, press the 2-cup button again. Once the coffee component has finished descaling, the machine will beep once and the 2-cup button will illuminate. To continue descaling the steam and hot water components, the steam and hot water dial will need to be turned manually. This process takes approximately 13 and 8 seconds respectively. Descale the steam component by turning the steam dial left towards the steam icon. Once steam stops purging at around 13 seconds, turn the steam dial to the right to the hot water icon to descale the water component. Once the hot water outlet stops delivering water at around 8 seconds, turn the steam dial back to the vertical position. By now, there should be around half of the descaling solution left in the water tank. To complete the descale process, repeat the previous steps to empty the solution in the tank. To perform a descaling solution rinse, remove the water tank and rinse thoroughly, then refill with fresh, cold water to the max line. Repeat the coffee, steam, and hot water component process to further cleanse the machine of any residue from the descaling solution. Press the power button to quit the descaling process. This will be indicated by the LED lights switching off.